This decision is as the result of a positive COVID-19 case in the Territory, a case that has been infectious in the community. We also have positive wastewater detections around the ACT. We do not currently know the source of the infection, but extensive investigation has been underway for many hours. This is the most serious public health risk that we have faced in the Territory this year, and really since the beginning of the pandemic. And that's why we will be introducing a strict lockdown in response. We've said throughout the outbreak that we've witnessed 300 kilometres up the road from Canberra and Sydney, that the lessons we learned from that and from elsewhere around Australia are that immediate and significant public health responses are needed to get ahead of this Delta strain. I've been making this point generally to the media and to the broader Canberra community for many weeks now, that if we did get a case in a scenario like this, that we would respond immediately and with a very significant public health response. This is the best path to pursue, to protect the health of the community and to avoid even more damaging and prolonged lockdowns and more significant economic consequences for our community. Now, this will be the first time that the ACT has entered into a lockdown this year, and really only the second time throughout the near 18 months of this pandemic. Now, during this time, Canberrans are asked to only leave their home for essential reasons. These essential reasons include essential employment, accessing healthcare, getting vaccinated is included in accessing healthcare. So please, if you have a vaccine appointment, please attend and get vaccinated. You are allowed to get vaccinated during this lockdown period. You're also allowed to get essential groceries and supplies and up to 1 hour each day of exercise. Our general guidance is to stay within your local area. So if you live in Belconnen, exercise in Belconnen, get your groceries, your essential supplies in Belconnen. Do not be travelling across the ACT for exercise or essential supplies. Similarly, if you are in Tuggeranong, Woden or Western Creek, the inner north, the inner south, Gungahlin, stay in your local area for your exercise and your essential supplies. Many people will need to travel outside of their district in order to get vaccinated or to work for essential purposes or to access essential health care. That is reasonable and understood. But where a service is available in your local area, please stay in your local area. Throughout the lockdown period, general retail will be closed. Hospitality venues will only be able to operate takeaway services. And our message to business is to discourage all browsing. If you are open for an essential reason in one of the business categories that enables you to trade in this time, what we need is people to come in, get what they need and leave. This is not an opportunity to go to Bunnings to browse. This is not an opportunity to hang around the local shops. Get in, get what you need and leave.